Good afternoon. My name is Dustin Flippo. I am taking Managing Group Dynamics for the Fall 3 semester, and I'm going to be doing my introduction. I'm military, stationed in Navarre Beach, Florida, stationed at Eglin Air Force Base. My job is POL, which is Petroleum Oils and Lubricants. I am the NCOIC of Training Support, where I have about 65 airmen underneath me that my job is make sure their training records are correct and just get them through to the training portion so they are fit to be part of the Air Force and good to do their job on a day-to-day basis. I'm married. You can see our shadow in the window and behind me. We've been married for 12 years. I have one son, Aiden. His birthday's coming up next week. He'll be 11 years old. And 3 dogs. Looking over the strengths, my number one strength is public speaking. I got very lucky during my career time and got to run to Eglin Honor Guard for a little bit over a year. And I had a master sergeant over me that loved putting me in positions of speaking with high-ranking officers, all the way up to 4-star generals, General Goldfein of the Air, which is the main guy of the Air Force, if you know. It really helped me out in the long term because it makes speaking in front of people a little less scared when you talk to the highest people in the military and have no issue with it. My second one would be facilitating small group meetings and meeting agendas. That's kind of my career. I am always having to have these airmen in meetings. I'm having to do agendas with them, make sure they're going day to day, getting their processes done. So I love doing that. It's not a big issue. And then typing and word processing would be my next one. I love computers since I was 16, 17 years old, played a lot of video games. So typing's been a easy thing for me. Word processing, that's all. Nothing really hard. My biggest weakness is going to be the artistic drawing, sketching, painting. I'm not artistic at all. That's what I use her for back there. If anything needs drawn or looks nice, she does that. I bake the cakes. She decorates the cakes. It's just how we do things around here. I look forward to the next 6 weeks with you guys. I actually just finished English Comp 2 and developing professional and academic skills, so it's kind of nice to be in a core class now. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and look forward to it.